Welcome home to 9207 43rd Terrace West in beautiful Bradenton, Florida. You are literally minutes from Anna Maria Island in Bradenton Beach, right from the privacy of your own 3-story, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom townhome. When a home like this sits right on the water, it has to have magnificent views, and this property does not disappoint. As you walk up or take the elevator to the main floor of this property, you'll notice it's been designed as a completely open concept. You can walk into your spacious living room that connects right to the kitchen and the dining area and look at these views. You look right over the bay and right over onto Anna Maria Island, which is always named one of the best beaches in the United States. The kitchen is huge and it has plenty of counter space for food prep and enjoying wine and cheese with your friends and family and those that you love. It's also been recently updated with all stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, solid wood cabinets, and a full walk-in pantry. The main floor of this property also features 2 full bedrooms and a full bathroom, which is perfect when you have friends visiting or you need that extra space for your family. As you walk up into your 3rd floor master bedroom retreat, one of the first things you'll notice is the expansive, unobstructed view of Palma Sola Bay and then to Anna Maria Island right beyond that. Your private patio is perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or relaxing after a long day and unwinding on your private patio. The master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with a full tile shower, a large garden soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. The 3rd story also features this unique loft space, which is really cool for a home office, a play area. You really could use it for whatever suits your family. There's also an additional full bedroom and full bathroom on the 3rd floor, so the space and the opportunities really are endless up here. When you enter through the beautiful double doors of this home, you'll notice that the ground floor is really unique. It has a full kitchen, a full bathroom, as well as this open space that can be used for an in-law apartment. You can use it for entertaining. You can send your teenagers down there when you need to have a little peace and quiet. It also has its own private entrance to the outside and has access to one of the 3 private porches on the home. One of the most amazing features of this property is that you are in a small gated enclave of homes that has its own private playground. It ends on a cul-de-sac and there will never be any through traffic. This property is also a short drive or bike ride or even walk right across the bridge into the heart of downtown Anna Maria Island, where there's shopping, there are restaurants, there's so much to explore, and it's literally minutes from your front door. Thank you so much for visiting with me at our amazing listing at 9207 43rd Terrace West. If you have any additional questions or would like to set up a private showing of this property, you can contact us directly at zarghamigroup.com. I look forward to seeing you at our next listing.